Si Yuan po bilang son is sobrang makulit po siya. Pero sobrang masunurin, saka sobrang confident na bata. Sobrang siya, independent din at his age. Talagang siya, very, paano ko ba i-describe? May sarili na siyang desisyon.
Cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. There's magic coursing throughout my veins.
Parang that time kasi, parang 2 years na kaming married, magto 2 years, and then wala pa ring baby. But all of a sudden, bigla, ayun, nag-PT, ayun na nga, dumating na si Yuan. So, 33 ako, I think, nung pinanganak ko siya. Kaya sobrang big blessing.
Wanna celebrate. Cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night.
Sobrang makulit si Yuan. And,
Minsan nakakainis ko eh. Yeah, sobrang kakulitan. Pero ganun talaga yung bata.
kaya minsan sobrang na-amaze kami sa teacher kasi pag nasa
Napaka-pasensyoso ng
school,
teacher.
ang haba ng pasensya ng mga teacher. Kasi talagang mga bata ngayon, sobrang tutulit nila. At the same time, sobrang nakakatuwa. At talagang nagbibigay ng joy sa bahay. Araw-araw yun.
I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate. Cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate. Cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night.
Very confident and very friendly.
Yes, yan ang number 1.
Sobrang friendly. Lahat-lahat.
At napakadaldal.
Makasalubong niya sa elevator, sa mall, nakaganito siya. Hi, how are you? Ganun.
Binabati niya kahit sino.
Yes,
Diba?
ganon. Ganon ang
Yun lang.
niya.
There's nothing like feeling alive.
Ayan. I'm grateful. Gusto naman sa'yo, laging be a good kid. Do work and kind, and always love it. Yun lang. Stay doing it. Okay? Happy birthday.
I just wanna celebrate all night.
I wish na sana ang ating makilala na very humble, very sweet, and lagi ko gusto at nasa puso, yun ang gagawin. At Mami and Daddy will always support you. Happy birthday!
I just wanna celebrate all night.
You are better enough. We love you.